Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I just love I miss these kind of vlogs and just talking to you guys. So as you guys know, my mum is here in the Philippines and I've been planning a trip to Bacolod, to Iloilo and Bacolod, and it's a trip that we've been planning for some time and we're surprising her. So the idea is that tomorrow I'm gonna blindfold her and surprise her at the airport. She has no idea, the kids have no idea, so I'm so excited. But first I'm gonna take her to the salon to get her hair done. Well, we're both gonna get our hair done and she's gonna get her nails done. So we're gonna head there right now.
So this is my second daughter.
And my mom also.
Yes.
Oh. One of my many moms.
When you go to
Super
London.
fan.
I will. I actually want to go. Because I do have titas there also.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Let's go.
yeah,
As I go to school, I think.
I will.
yeah, you've been wanting to move, diba?
I want to
Yes,
go.
they're coming to London. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The driver is waiting. Purple rain, purple rain. Happy ako sa kuko ko.
How, can I see?
This
So
nice.
thank you, Jed.
Thank you, Jed, for my hair and for my nails. Guys, tingnan mo, ito yung na-meet ko si yung daughter ko number 2, si Layo ba yun? Sorry.
Daughter mo tapos hindi mo masabi yung...
Hindi kasi na-adapt kasi siya kaya hindi ko na alam yung kanyang apelyido. He is from PBB. Naging favorite ko siya since then.
So guys, we are back home and I think I need to tell her that we have a trip booked without giving too much details away because she said that she's got plans at the weekend and she's refusing to cancel. God, give me strength because I cannot cancel this. It's been something we've been planning for some time. So I'm gonna go and reveal to her and ask her and beg her to please cancel her plans that she's got at the weekend because she has to come.
Tingnan ko nga. Purple rain, purple rain.
You're so happy. Who did you...
Purple rain.
So tomorrow we have a trip.
We don't have a trip because I told you I am going to Laguna.
But
I
we have a
already
trip.
told you that. And then you
No,
said,
our trip's Friday, Saturday.
huh?
We have a trip.
Friday, Saturday.
Oh,
No, we can't. I can't go Saturday, sorry. I have an important deal.
you have to move it.
No, sorry. It's already confirmed. And then I just confirmed today as well. You didn't say that we're going for overnight. So it's just day trip. That's why I have to do this appointment Saturday. It's very important for me too.
I already booked it. It's a surprise.
Well, I can't. It's my reputation, you know.
You cannot go on your trip
I can't go on my trip. What you mean I
on
can't?
Saturday.
No, because I already made an appointment, Kim.
Who's your friend?
My friend. You don't know my friend. Her name is Bing Giliergal. Hi, Bing. I'm waiting for you this Saturday. So if you want to go, I don't mind you go. Because this one is important as well. This is the last time that I can.
Ay, no, hindi
go there.
pwede.
Talagang hindi ako pwede.
No, hindi pwede.
Hindi ako pwede talaga.
No, hindi nga pwede.
Oo nga, hindi nga ako pwede sa iyo sumama.
Hindi nga pwede ka umalis.
Ay, hindi pwede Aalis talaga ako. Because my only chance, this is the matter of life and money. Wala ka mag-last minute sa akin.
Not last minute. I booked this a long time ago. Bago ka dumating pa.
I'm sorry.
You'll be happy.
What do you mean happy?
Where are we going?
Yeah, I know I'll be happy if we're going, but I have to meet them Saturday.
Mom, we can't.
Bahala ka, ang kulit mo. Diyos ko po. I don't want to argue no more. Please. I already made my plan.
When you find out tomorrow, you're gonna be like, oh, okay, better to.
I don't want to go anywhere on Saturday. I want to stay here Saturday, Friday night, and then Saturday. Nag-plan ka without telling me. I already told you.
Because you don't know yet.
Oh,
It's
I'm
alright.
sorry. I'm sorry, I can't.
But it's very important.
Whatever is important, this is important as well because I made up my plan. Honestly, wala nang pagbabago sa plan ko. Well, if you want to tell me, it doesn't matter for me because I already have my plan. Wala
Ay,
nang...
hindi pwede.
Ayun ako. Ayun.
Mom,
Sasabihin mo pa kung maganda yan, punta tayo sa langit, punta sa... Alam mo yan, pinaprank lang ako.
bakit?
Ay nako, iwan ko sa iyo, Kim, bahala ka din.
Why can't you just say yes?
Bahala ka, hindi na kita sasagutin kasi naiinis ako pag sinasagot kita dahil ang kulit-kulit mo. Ikaw na lang magplano.
Oh, ito.
Oo. Departure Manila. Bacolod sila, arrival Manila. Kailan dito?
Anong prank yan?
May 22. Hindi ako pwede ng 22. Honestly, hindi ako pwede ng 22. Bahala ka dyan. May kausap na ako, Kimi. So,
Ito.
sino kasama dyan?
Ito, hello, following up flight, Saturday ko pa tinatanong. Hindi mo nakita, pupunta ka muna Iloilo. Tapos Iloilo pa Bacolod. Ayun, gusto mo tingnan. Yan o.
Naiinis ako.
Pag-ayos ko pa ng hair, ng nails para pagbalik ko ng Bacolod,
Kaya pala
maganda.
pinabok.
O, di ba? Tapos nagagalit ka pa. Di ba pangarap na kumain ng
Bukas na
inasal?
pala ito?
Yes, bukas kaya nandyan yung maleta. Pinakon na nga yung bag mo eh. Hindi mo alam, sinabi ni Ate Mitch, i-wash niya yung mga damit mo. Tapos ayaw mo pa. Tapos pinipilit ka ni Ate.
Hindi, sabi ko, Miss, huwag mo nang iwas kasi.
Tapos sabi niya, Ma'am, ayaw niya i-wash pero pinili ko na lang kasi wala siya masuot.
Hindi, marami akong damit dyan. I mean, how many days lang naman, kung halimbawa.
Yun nga. Mana-stress ka na.
Si Mitch, ito, sa bunutan ko yan sa sapwet. Kasi hindi niya Ma'am, laban ko na lahat ng damit mo. Sabi ko, wag na kasi malapit na rin ako palis. Marami pa akong isusuot dyan. Hindi, laban ko na lang. Yun pala, may plano. Ikaw, Mitch, ha? Paprank din kita, Mitch. Manda ka, Mitch. Sige lang. Itong Michelle, hindi rin nagsasabi. Porket birthday niya, okay lang. Hindi ko pagalitan si Michelle kasi birthday niya. By the way, Michelle, happy birthday, ha? So, sana masaya yung birthday mo at kunting pasensya pa. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your patience sa mga apo ko na makukulit talaga at talagang hangang-hanga ako sa iyo, sa iyong kabutihan, sa iyong pasensya, sa iyong pagmamahal sa mga apo ko. Kahit na ganun man sila na talagang makukulit, pero galing din tayo sa makulit, kaya okay lang yun. Galing din tayo sa makulit. I think when we were little, we were so makulit. So talagang ganyan. So I'm just hoping na itong makulit na ito, lalaki na sila na hindi na makulit. Kulit-kulit na lang.
So ngayon, ang ganda ng hair mo, tapos ang ganda ng nails, tapos nagsistress ka pa.
Ay, pangarap ni tita mo, Inday, na
I-book natin siya.
I-book natin.
Ngayon?
Pwede siyang isama.
Oo, kasi may space naman sa hotel.
Sige nga. Teka, tawagan ko tita mo, Inday.
Pinatawagan mo ang sister mo kasi na-excite ka.
Hindi ako na-excite.
Pero yung friend mo, hindi mo pa natawagan na makakancel.
Hindi, wala naman akong choice, Ime. Sasama naman talaga na lang ako kasi nga nangyari na yan. Ang surprise niyo, hindi na surprise. Ayan, natutawag tita.
Oh my!
Day, makinig ka. Makinig ka muna. Nainis ako kay Kim. Kasi, may ginawa siyang, may plano ako na pupunta ako ng Sunday sa iyo, di ba? Sabi ni Kim, Ma'am, cancel kasi busy ako, bla bla bla. So, wala siyang sinasabi. Sabi ko, sige.
Tapos Saturday may plano.
Tapos Saturday may plano ako na pupunta nga ako ng Laguna, di ba? Sinabi ko sa iyo. Tapos ngayong gabi, sinabi niya, Ma'am, may surprise ako sa iyo. Sabi ko, Kim, kahit nasa bansa pa tayo pupunta, ayaw kong sumama kasi may kausap na ako ng Saturdays. Tita mo, hindi nga, kinancel ko na, dahil nga. Sabi mo, hindi ka pwede. So ngayon, sabi niya, hindi, magugustuhan ko talaga ito. Sabi niya ganun, kahit na ano pang sasabihin mo, magustuhan mo ito, pupuntahan natin, bla 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 bla. Noon. So ngayon, hindi niya na matiis. Pinakita niya na yung surprise.
Ano yung surprise? Baka ma-surprise din ako.
Ay sigurado, Day, kasi we're hoping na makakasama ka. Dahil doon tayo pupunta sa pangarap mo.
Na ano?
Na gusto mo magkanto sa Bacolod.
Ayun.
Gusto mo maupod? Buwas na eh.
Grabe na
Dahil ako nga agad-agad.
Na yan. What agad-agad.
Dahil pwede naman yan eh. Ibubok kita, ako nang bahala. Maganda ngayon eh, walang plano. Punta tayo ng Iloilo tsaka Bacolod.
Pinuusap ko siya. Guess ko. Ano eh? Kita muna. Ano ba yan?
Magpatid ka sa airport ng 12:55 ang flight.
Ano last? Yung yan tanghali?
Oo.
Ay, abaw. Grabe naman.
Day, sige na, himos-himos ka na kay pangarap mo noon. Makita mo doon si Manang Florinda, ho.
Ay, naku, Diyos mio. Sige ah. Go. Bala natin yung Batman.
Sino si Batman?
I-send mo sa akin yung details.
Ano ko, passport ko.
O, mag-ipake ka na, basta good for 5 days.
So after the drama, after Mum was unsure that she wanted to come, she got so excited and invited her sister. So we've just booked the flights.
Yay! We're going to Bacolod, Bacolod, Bacolod.
I'm almost glad that I ended up revealing to Mum where we're going, because I feel like if I just kept it a surprise, it would have been a disaster if I revealed to her at the airport. So now she's happy because her sister's able to come, and I didn't realize, but it's been her sister's childhood dream.
Yeah.
Childhood dream, sorry, adult dream. Because the last time she was there was like when she was 10 years old. So it's been like a goal of hers to go back.
This is her first time
since
to come back.
she was 10 years old, she's not been back to Bacolod.
Yeah.
So it's going to be so nice that Mum and Tita will be able to go back to their hometown. The kids get to go. So it worked out in the end. I didn't plan it this way, but it's fine.
Yes.
So at least now she's happy. Oh, okay, so I've got to pack, guys. Oh, it's so late. It's so late. We're literally traveling tomorrow and I've not packed, as you guys can see. This is where I hid all the suitcases, by the way, hoping that I was gonna pack for her, but now that she knows and now that we've revealed, she can literally just help me and I don't have to pack for her. That was like the one thing I was trying to work out, was like, how do I pack for my mom? Mom? Magpack ka na. The kids have no idea, Mom. So you guys, we're just gonna end up surprising the kids. We're gonna tell them that Lola's going back, and actually they're coming with, so that's gonna be fun. I love a surprise.